Image relief machining. Image relief machining is to engrave the object after the object has been converted into a grayscale image. The machining is based on the brightness level of the image. Select the image, go to Toolpath, Image Relief Machining. Firstly, select your tool. And select ball nose with a diameter 2, height 10. The minimum brightness depth and the maximum brightness depth are how deep the tool will enter the material based on the brightness. You can set the minimum at 5 and set the maximum 0.3. Set the overlap ratio to be 80% and select horizontal machining. This will cut the material only horizontally. Now go to Toolpath, Toolpath Shaded Simulation, and you can simulate it and see that the tool cuts only horizontally. UCAM will automatically calibrate and adjust the depth of the tool according to the brightness of the grayscale picture. Now to save the toolpath, go to Toolpath, Toolpath Output, select Feature Point A under General CNC, and save it under Image Relief Machining. Image Relief Machining. Click Save. And you have created the toolpath for image relief machining. And that is all for this tutorial. Thank you.